Welcome back, guys. A quick, tiny little video on how to save a little bit of money on targets, okay? First of all, right here, this is a real target stand, okay? It is, but it was a little dinged up. It was at the pawn shop. I got it for, I don't know, it was probably 20 bucks listed on it, and I gave them 12 cash. It was something pretty easy, cheap like that. Nice thing about these, by design, you fit these pieces of lath in there. I think it's an inch and a half by a quarter inch, just simple lath. And they kind of wedge in there. Take a little bit of work. I mean, not much, you know. They wedge in kind of like that. And then, check this out. For one, this is kind of a really cool bag. This is a kind of a, I don't know what you call it, some type of a painter's bag or something for big like easels. So I got my targets in here. For one, we just like re-staple things on there like that, if you can see that. Or, you know, use tape, use these things, the pasters, put them on there, saves you money. But what I'm trying to get at is that here, it's all stuck in here, right? Here we have Ritz, Cheez-Its, and Celsius, the core of any good nutritional breakfast. So we can take these out and staple them on. So stapler, obviously. This part should not be surprising to you. You should be able to figure this out, right? Oops. Oh, wow. It's got to have a little bit of... There we go. Oh, that barely reaches. That's not the right one, then. There we go. That reaches. There we go. And that's enough. Well, almost enough. Let me show you the last piece. Simple enough. Use a marker. Now, I will want to point out, if you're aiming for these and you're trying to get groups, don't stand 25 yards away, okay? You can stand close. You can get a lot of training out of just slow fire from 7 yards. You should work on all this stuff, but slow fire, centered yards, 7 yards, just see how close, see if you can knock out that black dot, right? Or you could just as easily put a single dot right there and then go back to 10, 15 yards, work on your fast fire or whatever, but don't set yourself up for failure. Set yourself up for success. Make a target that you know you can, and a distance and expectations that you know that you can achieve. You can push yourself a little bit, but that you can still achieve. Anyway, this is one cheap little way that you can still be shooting at the range in the winter, for example, but even just to save some money. Everyone's got these things. So there you go. One way to save some money. That's it for now.